Are you stuck in an annoying BitLocker recovery loop where Windows asks for your recovery key every single time you turn on your PC? If you're seeing error code 0x12000002 with a message about boot configuration data, don't panic. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 proven ways to permanently stop BitLocker from asking for your key on startup in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's jump right in. First, we'll try the manual command prompt fix. Start by opening command prompt as administrator. First, execute the shown command to temporarily suspend BitLocker protection on your C drive. Next, run the command on screen to disable the Windows recovery environment. Now, execute this command to delete the corrupted recovery configuration file. Then, run this command to re-enable the recovery environment. Finally, execute the last command to re-enable BitLocker protection. Once that's finished, close command prompt and restart your computer. In most cases, your system will boot straight into Windows without asking for the key ever again. However, if this manual method didn't work for you, or if you can't even get into Windows to open command prompt, let me show you method 2. For method 2, download the VMTechs boot repair toolkit using the official link in the description below. Save this file onto a USB flash drive or a secondary internal partition, do not keep it on your C drive. Now, on your BitLocker recovery screen, press Escape. Then click Skip this drive. Select Troubleshoot, go to Advanced Options, and select Command Prompt. Inside Command Prompt, type Notepad and press Enter. This trick lets you browse your files. Click on File, then Open. Navigate to your USB drive or partition. Switch files of type to All Files, right-click the VMTechs boot repair toolkit file, and select Run as Administrator. Wait for the environment scan to finish. First, click BitLocker Unlock/Manage, and choose Auto Search all partitions for a BitLocker recovery key file. The tool will scan all connected drives and external storage for your BitLocker key text file, and then use it to automatically unlock your drive. Next, open Menu 2 and select Option 7 to fix the BitLocker recovery loop and error 0x12000002. The tool will automatically rebuild and repair your boot configuration data and recovery files. Once the process finishes, restart your PC. Your computer should now boot smoothly straight to your desktop, and the BitLocker loop is completely fixed. If this video helped save your computer, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes. If you ran into any issues, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.